Okay, in the displacement current, first we know that electrical flux. Generally, this is the closed loop nana. Look here. In the closed loop nana, electrical flux denoted by phi. What is the definition? Electrical lines passing through given area. Here two lines pass. Electrical flux is 2. Simply, number of electric lines passing through given area is called as electrical flux. Okay? In the electrical flux, phi is E bar dot A bar write as E A cos theta dot product. For example, electrical flux is maximum. The formula is EA because theta becomes 0. Here theta is angle between E and A. E and A both are parallel. Flux is maximum. What is the flux formula? Maximum flux formula EA. Here flux unit is Weber nana. Look here. Electrical flux nana. Electrical flux is number of electric lines passing through given area. Next nana, electrical flux denoted by phi. In the chapter we discuss capacitor nana. Capacitor have two plates. Both the plates have same size. Okay. Each plate area is A. Distance between two plates is D. Look here nana. This is the capacitor nana. What is the use of capacitor? Capacitor is used to store the charge. Capacitor is used to store the charge nana. Okay. Each plate area is A. Distance between two plates is D. Here charge on each plate is Q. In the situation C indicate capacitance of the capacitor. Here the formula is Q by V. Another formula. This is parallel plate capacitor. In this situation, capacitance another formula is A epsilon naught by D. Here D indicate distance between two plates. A indicate area of the each plate. Here each capacitor is in the shape of each plate in the shape of square or circle. Ee plate undi kada circular shape lo undachu, square shape lo undachu, rectangular shape lo undachu. For example, circular shape lo undanuko, area of the circular plate is pi r square. Square shape lo undanuko L square. Rectangular shape lo undanuko length into breadth, area of the each plate. Okay. Next nana, in the capacitor here charge is there. Automatically this charge produce the electrical field intensity between the plates is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma by epsilon naught. Each plate sigma by 2 epsilon naught, sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Both are add sigma by epsilon naught. In the capacitor between, what is the electrical field between the plates of capacitor? Sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma is called surface charge density. Simply charge by area. This is the formula for electrical field intensity. Electrical field and potential relation is E equal to V by D. E is right side Q by A epsilon naught. In the situation, electrical field potential relation is E equal to V by D. V indicate potential difference between the plates. D indicate distance between the plates. Okay, Nana? Look here, all of you. Circuit law. Look here, Nana. This is the current carrying wire. This is the wire carries a current I. This is IC. IC is called conduction current. Nana, according to Oersted experiment, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. Once again I repeat, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. This magnetic field production is around the wire. Magnetic field production is around the wire. Okay? Here now, according to Oersted experiment, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. In this point, to determine magnetic field, we apply Ampere circuit law. What is the Ampere circuit law? Integration of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught into I net. Here, two wires are there, I1 plus I2. Three wires are there, I1 plus I2 plus I3. Simply, this formula is very useful to determine the magnetic field induction due to current carrying wire. Here, I is write as IC because this current is called as conduction current. This is the Ampere circuit law. This means current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field around the wire. Okay? These are keep in your mind. First, I start the class Ampere circuit law completed. First, I start displacement current. Okay? Look here now. This is the capacitor. Okay? Now I discuss that is the capacitor now. Look here, all of you. In the capacitor is connected to the battery. This is the capacitor nana is connected to the battery. What is the use of battery? What is the use of battery? To supply the current. Because of flow of current is nothing but the flow of charge. Here which will be stored? Charge. Okay? On the capacitor which will be stored nana? Charge. Look here all of you. Okay nana, here supplying current. According to Ampere circuit law, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field around the wire. Here I place a magnetic needle. What happens? Magnetic needle deflect because of magnetic field. Simply, here magnetic needle deflect this current is called conduction current. What is the Ampere circuit law? Integration of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught IC. In this situation, look here, all of you. In this situation, here, this magnetic needle placed here. The scientist name Maxwell. Maxwell observed here needle place, needle deflect. Here magnetic needle place between the plates of the capacitor. Here also needle deflect. Generally magnetic needle deflect due to magnetic field or current carrying wire according to Eisenstein experiment. Here current unda, ikkada daake current flowing. Here current flow. But here there is no current. But here needle deflect. According to Maxwell observations, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field, and here needle deflects. Here there is no current, but needle deflect. According to Maxwell observations, current flowing onto the capacitor, here charge increase, electrical field also increase. Here according to Maxwell says, varying electrical field to produce the displacement current. Because of displacement current, here needle deflect. Once again I repeat, listen carefully. Here needle deflect ఎందుకంటే current ఉంది. According to Eisenstein experiment, current wire to produce the magnetic field. This magnetic field వల్ల needle deflect. Here needle place, Maxwell observed, here charge on the plate increase, electrical field also increase. Varying electrical field to produce the displaced current. This displaced current, here needle deflect. So Ampere circuit law, some correction is needed. The correction is, look here, integration of B bar dot DL bar equal to mu naught into total current. This total current is, one is IC, out of the current, and this is the capacitor. Outside current is called conduction current, plus between the plates of capacitor is called displacement current. Simply Ampere circuit law, some correction is occur. The correction is integration of B bar dot DL bar equal to not mu naught IC, mu naught into IC plus ID. Here Sahajan, IC is conduction current, battery current. ID is nothing but the displaced current. This is due to varying electrical field produce the displacement current. Simply this is called correction of Ampere circuit law. This is called Maxwell equation in the electricity. Here IC is called conduction current. This conduction current here gives varying electrical field. That's why varying electrical field produce the displaced current. Suppose in this situation IC equal to ID. Simply constant current is equal to displacement current. Once again I repeat, constant current దీని వల్లే కదా, కండక్షన్ కరెంట్ వల్లే కదా ఇది వచ్చేసింది. కాబట్టి conduction current always equal to displacement current. Look here, all of you. What is the flux formula? Flux formula is EA. In this situation, I take capacitor. Between the plates of capacitor, electrical field is sigma by epsilon naught into A. Here, sigma, surface charge density Q by A, epsilon naught A. This is electrical field between the plates of capacitor. This is phi. Here A cancel. Both sides I apply differentiating with respect to time. d by dt of Q by epsilon naught. Sorry. Both sides I applying differentiation. d phi by dt, d by dt of Q by epsilon naught. In the situation, left side d phi by dt, right side epsilon naught common. It write 1 by epsilon naught. Next write dq by dt. Look here. Nana, rate of flow of charge is nothing but the current. This is electrical field between the plates of the capacitor. That's why this current is displacement current. Here epsilon naught other side, epsilon naught into d phi by dt. This is the formula for displacement current. What is the formula for displacement current? ID equal to epsilon. Look here, all of you. In the situation, ID equal to epsilon naught. Here, d by dt of phi write as E into A. Flux, electrical flux. Electric lines passing through given area. In that situation, relation between electrical field and potential. Here E write as V by D into A. In the situation, right side displacement current equal to constant common A common epsilon naught by D into, look here all of you, dV by dt. In the situation, ID equal to A epsilon naught by D write as C into dV by dt. Simply, this is the formula for displacement current. A